In this video, I'm going to show you how to add VIX 100 on MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do is sign up for a broker which supports the VIX 100 or the Volatility 100 index. So it's going to require a broker which supports synthetic indices such as Deriv or something similar. So I actually have an account with Deriv over here, so I'm going to show you how to do it with Deriv. But of course, if you have any other broker, it's going to be a similar process. So over here on Deriv, if you want to sign up, you can just go to their official website, and then when you do that, you can create your account, either demo or real. You can sign in, and then here on the platform you can switch between the demo or real traders hub, and then here you can see the Deriv MT5 account. Now by default, if you haven't made your account yet, it's gonna say a get over here next to it, so just click on this, and then you basically will have to set a password like this, and that's essentially all you have to do. After you do it, you'll basically get your login and the password which you set. If I click on open right now, you can see, there we go, I know the broker, the server, login, and the password which I just set, which are all the things I now need. So let me show you how to now, of course, add this to MT5 and actually find the VIX 100 on MetaTrader 5. So I'm gonna move this over, there we go. You wanna go to File, top left, inside MT5, and you wanna click on Open an Account. Then you wanna look for Deriv, so I'm just going to type it in and click on Find Your Company. When you do so, there's going to be a bunch of different ones, and for me, the correct one is Deriv.com Limited, because over here, again, it said Deriv.com Limited is the one I need. So I'm just going to click on this one, and I'm going to click on Next. When I do that here, you want to do Connect to Existing Trade Account, and then what you have to do is put in your login ID, which is that number you were able to see earlier, the password, which you set yourself, so I'm just going to type it in like this, and then the server, which of course for me is demo, but for you it may be a different one, depending on which one is listed on the screen I just showed you. Then you want to click on Finish, and there we go, it's going to sign you in to your Deriv account. Top left, you can see I'm now in here. So to now add the VIX 100 or the VIX 100, what you have to do is go to the symbol tab, top left, to show the symbol list. And then in here, you want to look for volatility or 100, whatever you want to do. And you'll see that the Volatility 100 index, otherwise known as VIX 100, is going to be over here. So you want to click on it and click on Show Symbol. And now it's going to show here inside your Market Watch. As you can see, it's down here. So if you don't see the Market Watch, click on View and then Market Watch. Then you can right click on the Volatility 100 and click on Chart Window. And there we go, as you can see, we've successfully added VIX 100 on MT5. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.